Okay, Danny. So, what's today?
My birthday.
How old are you?
6.
Okay, let's go in the office and see what you got.
Yay! Yay!
Whoa.
What is it?
Drum set.
No way.
Okay, Danny, stop. You know who this is from?
You.
And guess who else? Guess who gave you those drums? Those used to be someone else's. Guess whose?
Who?
Uncle Shawnee's.
Really?
Really? Can you say thank you to Uncle Shawnee?
Thank you.
Say thank you, Uncle Shawnee.
Thank you, Sonny.
Is that the coolest drum set ever or what?